Next we have example 3.14. The question is, a baby is playing in a swing which is hanging with the help of two identical chains is at rest. Identify forces acting on the baby and apply Lami's theorem and find the tension acting on the chain. So you have to find first what are the forces acting on the baby. So let me consider this one as the swing where the baby sits, and this is chains where the tension force is acting. So you have two tension forces. Obviously on the object, on the baby, you will be having one gravitational force which is downward direction, and it is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, mg. So you have in total three forces. So first thing is to identify the forces. So what are the three forces? It is downward gravitational force and then two tension forces along two strings. So these are the forces, and you can see that all these forces are coplanar, that is on the same plane. Now next thing is apply Lami's theorem to find the tension acting on the chain. So you have to apply Lami's theorem for this case. You have three forces which is coplanar and concurrent, and so all these three forces, for this you have to apply Lami's theorem. So you have to find the angle. So let me split this component into two as horizontal and vertical component. Horizontal component is sine theta and vertical component is cos theta. So this is downward direction gravitational force mg. Here this one is considered as angle theta and this is also theta. So now you have to apply Lami's theorem. So what is according to Lami's theorem? The magnitude of one force is directly proportional to sine of angle between other two forces. Yes, so this can be also written by f by sine alpha. Okay, for f1 by sine alpha, you can also write like this. So one of the force divided by sine of angle between other two forces, that is Lami's theorem. Okay, so one of the forces, let me take this tension force. So one of the forces, tension force T, and let me take this tension force T. Okay, so one of the forces, tension force T, divided by sine of angle between other two forces. Angle between other two forces is this 2. So it is the angle between other two forces is this one. Okay, so tension T divided by sine of, what is this angle you have to find? So you know that this is a straight line. Okay, it is like this. The top part is 2t cos theta and this one is mg. So here, okay, this is split as like this. Okay, so we have to find this angle. You know this angle as theta. So then, and also know that for a straight line the whole angle is 180 degree. So from this 180 degree, I'm going to minus this theta, we'll get this part of angle. So it is total 180 minus theta. So it is sine of angle 180 minus theta. Can you understand? This is 180 minus theta, this part. Similarly, it is one tension force. For the other force, the other force magnitude is T divided by the opposite angle, that is angle between other two forces. It is also similar to this one. See, it is just the inverse of what we had here. So it is this one also, sine 180 minus theta. Okay. Next, the next force is mg. So mg divided by sine of angle between other two forces. Sine of angle between these two. Angle between these two is this fully. So which is theta plus theta, sine 2 theta. Okay. So sine of 2 theta. And by trigonometric equation, sine 180 minus theta is nothing but equal to same sine theta. So instead of this, you can write it as sine theta and sine 2 theta. So these two forces are same. So you can equate these two forces, which is T by, instead of 180 minus theta, it is sine theta, which is equal to mg by sine 2 theta. And again by trigonometric equation, sine 2 theta is nothing but 2 sine theta cos theta. So replace that here. It is T by sine theta equal to mg by 2 sine theta cos theta. Here 1 sin theta will get cancelled off with each other. Then T is equal to mg by remaining part 2 cos theta. So this is your tension force acting on the baby. So thus we have found the forces acting on the baby, and by applying Lambert's theorem you also find the tension acting on the chain. I hope you've understood. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.